Got USDT in your SafePAL wallet and thinking about using your seed phrase to move it? Hold up. That could be a huge mistake. Let's walk through a safer way to move your funds to Binance without compromising your security. First things first, your seed phrase is not a transfer tool, it's your private access key. Never share it, never enter it on a site, never use it to send crypto. All right, here's the game plan. Step 1, open your SafePAL app, tap on your USDT balance, then hit send. Step 2, now open your Binance app, go to wallet, then USDT and tap deposit. Choose the correct network, like BEP20, ERC20 or TRC20. Copy your Binance USDT wallet address. Step 3, back in SafePAL. Paste that address in the to field. Double-check the network matches. Enter the amount and hit send. If the networks don't match, you could lose everything. Always confirm you're sending from the same network you're depositing into. Done right, your USDT will show up in Binance in minutes. Smash that like button if this saved you from a crypto disaster. And subscribe for more wallet safety tips. Drop your crypto questions in the comments. Turn on notifications for weekly wallet wisdom.